Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. Today I've got several new items to share with you that are new online as well as in store. So let's start off with the one that I am the most proud of, and that is the brand new acrylic template that I have right here. And this is our Tassel Pal template. This was a collaborative effort between my husband and myself to design this template. I am so proud of this template. I have designed this with safety in mind. While using a rotary cutter is never foolproof and it is up to every single user, I did my best to make sure that your fingers stay nice and safe when you are cutting this Tassel Pal template right here. So let me grab the tassels and show you what it makes. So here I have created a bunch of these little tassels. Now we have sold the tassel hardware on our website for several years now, but now you can easily make these tassels and add them to your handbags with no problem at all. It only takes a few minutes to make yourself a tassel. I have done a separate video walking you through how to use the Tassel Pal, so make sure you check out that video. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can check that out now. Shop the Tassel Pal template as well as all the other items that I'm showing you in the video today on our website at sewyours.com. As you can see right here, we've got a large selection of bag making templates. So if you're brand new to our templates, they all can be found on our website, or you can shop here at our Dunnellon, Florida store. And now we're over here at our hardware display in our Dunnellon, Florida shop. But again, these can be purchased online as well as in store. This hardware is not new to the shop here in Dunnellon, but it is going to be brand new to our online store. I just had the opportunity to photograph and get these listed, and that is our grommets. So we have brand new oblong grommets. I did share a bag that I made using these oblong grommets recently when we launched our faux leathers. So these are 1-inch wide openings right here that allow you to use a 1-inch wide strap. So we have those available in nickel, light gold, rose gold, gunmetal, and antique brass. We are working on getting rainbow as well. Next up, we've got our round grommets, and both of these grommets are screw in. We have gotten away from doing the grommets that require a die, or I should say a press, in order to install them. These are nice and easy. There's just 3 screws on the back side so that you can install them with a screwdriver. We have these in the same exact finishes, and the inside diameter, if I can remember correctly, is 13.5 millimeters on those ones. And those pair greatly with those pair great with our gate rings as well. So our Duplicity handbag can be modified slightly to add a crossbody strap using the gate rings and the grommets. So here I am at our notions area right here. So we do have a couple of new notions that did come in. First up, we have our anvil set with our punch set. This is perfect for setting rivets that are 6 millimeter up to 10 millimeter in diameter. So we do have that available, brand new for online. We got this in store about a week ago. And then this is brand new to the shop. We just got this delivered today. And this is our 1/4-inch wide double-sided tape, and this is great for basting, for putting in those zippers in your handbags. And this is 50 yards in length, so it's a little bit bigger than the other double-sided tape that we've been carrying, so you get a lot more for your money when you purchase the 50 yards. And while I'm over here, I'll point out a few other items that has been released on our website over the last couple of weeks. We've got the It's All That screwdriver. I show you more about that in the tutorial on the Tassel Pal template. So that is a great little screwdriver, and they've been selling like hotcakes. We also have fray check. We've got a seam ripper. We've got this other seam ripper that I didn't even know existed, which I think is great because I like to make my own clothing. And this is a seam ripper for sergers. So we do have that, and those are $2.99 each. We also have Kai scissors, left and right-handed, as well as pinking shears. We've got rotary cutters and blades. We've got a variety of needles here for quilting as well as leather. And then we've got some of the oldies but goodies that we've had on our website for several years now. We've got these little bobbin clamps and bobbin holders, and I'll show you what that is right here. So you can pair your bobbin with your spool of thread. Doesn't matter what size the spool is. And these bobbin clamps do work on industrial as well as domestic bobbins. I also have the acrylic ruler handles. I also show you in the Tassel Pal template more about these. We've had these for a while, but we are offering a deal. Whenever you are purchasing the Tassel Pal, you'll get $1 off of an acrylic ruler handle. We've got our quilting clips right here in pink and clear, and our rose gold clips. that are great for vinyl fabrics. They don't leave that indentation like the quilting clips do. So that is pretty much everything that's new. I'm going to switch over to the overhead camera, give you a closer look at all of these items. It'll be a little bit redundant as far as me explaining what the new things are, but I wanted you to just be able to see it a little bit closer. So please go ahead and shop our website at sewyours.com. One other thing you might be seeing here over to my right, we do have waterproof canvas in store. These are brand new colors, but we are still waiting on another shipment of our waterproof canvas that have additional colors and a restock of some of our best sellers like grape, coral, pickle, and so on and so forth. So I don't want to put those on the website until I get all of the colors, and I'm waiting for my tracking number to update. I think they're going to be delivered sometime next week. I know everybody keeps asking me about our waterproof canvas, but yes, we will be having that very, very shortly. Just waiting for that shipment. But here's a little sneak peek since I'm right here. We've got this beautiful navy color, and we've got cranberry. We have a hot pink. We've got this beautiful shade of teal, which is absolutely gorgeous. We've got a taupe color. And we have a lilac, which has been flying off the shelves already here in our Dunellen store. So if you are local, you can come now and purchase the waterproof canvas that we do have in stock. But note that we will be getting more colors within the next week. I wish we had it all right now, but we just don't have it yet. So that is our sneak peek on our waterproof canvas. All right, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye. So here is the Isa handbag with the strap connectors or oblong grommets, however you want to call them, right here, which you can purchase on our website. In the center there, we have our turn lock, which you can also get on our website. So I've been carrying this handbag for, gosh, at least a month now, if not longer, and I have been loving it. So here is a closer look at those grommets. And then the punch set. So this allows you to set those 6mm to 10mm rivets. And this allows you to punch the hole in your fabric. There's a closer look at the template. And I do go over this in the video as well, but we've got some shapes right here. This allows you to stay in line with the slit that you're currently cutting. So we've got that based upon shapes. So we've got circle, triangle, square, star, and then it repeats. And you can keep yourself organized in your head while you're doing that. And a closer look at our new webbings. So go ahead and shop on our website at sewyours.com.